Hello everyone, myself Rohita. I am currently pursuing postgraduate diploma in clinical embryology and pre-implantation genetics. So I am very grateful to be in this part of this renowned institution, Chennai Fertility Center and Research Institute. First of all, I am thanking Dr. V.M. Thomas and their team for giving me this great opportunity. Then to my course director, Dr. L. Krishna Vignesh, who covered all the parts of embryology. So first I started with andrology. In that we have covered semen analysis, semen preparation and all the cryopreservation techniques belonging to it. And next to the embryology part, we started with screening the oocytes and handling it by the way. Then we did denudation in that and we covered the cryopreservation part. And to the advanced techniques like ICSI, both RA and Ashiki were covered in this part. So I'm very happy to be in this renowned institution by taking this as my career. So if anybody is interested or to take career in this, they may be contacting and take good ART techniques and good hands-on training. So interactive classes are very there, and it was very happy to connect with the theory part and the practical part. So as taking the career for this and ART field, I'm very happy to be in this part of Chennai Fertility Center and Research Institute. Thank you.